Have you ever looked at your career path and just wished you had a clear map? Especially if you've maybe dreamed of taking your skills, on the road.
That feeling of wanting confidence, not just guesswork.
Exactly. So today we're taking a really deep dive into that exact idea, becoming a confident healthcare traveler. But we're looking at it through a truly surprising, maybe even transformative lens.
Okay, intriguing. What's the focus?
Well, our sources today detail something called the Healthcare Traveler Certification Academy, called HCTA. And this really remarkable program they've developed called the Shift.
HCTA and the Shift. Got it.
So our mission here is to sort of unpack how this program works. It's positioned as more than just training. It's like a genuine roadmap for healthcare pros, moving beyond just, figuring it out as you go.
Right, towards more clarity, real support.
And this is the kicker, an unexpected cultural immersion experience too.
Okay, so why does this matter for, someone listening? Well, what seems really insightful here is how it aims to compress learning, like taking potentially years of on-the-job, trial and error learning, and packing it into just a week.
Accelerating that curve.
Exactly. So for anyone thinking about travel healthcare, or maybe you're already in it, the idea is to help you maybe bypass some costly mistakes or, missed opportunities.
Those aha moments, but faster.
Precisely. Getting you there much quicker than just figuring it out alone.
Okay, so let's start at the beginning. The heart of this seems to be myueta.com. That's the home for the Healthcare Travelers Certification Academy.
Right.
And it sounds like it was founded on this core belief that your career should, empower you to move freely, not hold you back.
Yeah, like a resource hub. For healthcare pros ready to travel, but wanting that confidence, clarity.
And a support system, providing that roadmap where maybe there was just guesswork before.
Okay, and building on that foundation, what about the Shift? What makes that program compelling?